Why come do a free digital skills bootcamp at Whitehead Ross? I couldn't think of a more idyllic place to have a walk on the beach or a surf after your lessons. More importantly, it's about the skilled tutors who'll be serving you. Knowledgeable, personable, and most of all, fun. We have a team of people that will support you after you've completed the course to work on your CVs, your covering letters, do mock interviews. It's really all about employability skills. Every one of our learners has gotten something unique out of the course, whether it was spelling and grammar, confidence, industry standard words, or all of the above. The course can be done completely remotely, but we prefer if people can come into the center if they're in Newquay or Weymouth. If you're doing it remotely, there's free software to download, and you'll be getting a free Office 365 and Teams account, which you'll communicate with your tutor. If you'd like more information on the syllabus, you can refer to the address in the bottom of the screen, bit.ly/recdigitalsupport, all one word, or email us at skillsforlife@reclimited.co.uk. What are you waiting for?